Hi, boys and girls. Today is your Unit 13, Week 2, Day 4, Dictation. And normally this would be completed in our composition book. However, since you don't have those, you can either print this paper from your Google Classroom or just use any paper and pencil to follow along. We are going to begin with sounds. The first sound. What says O? O. Well, I have our spelling option poster. Do you recognize this? You remember this from the class? Well, here we have O right over here. So if we look across the row, we see everything that says O. So we would begin with O saying O. O consonant E says O. O-A says O. O-E says O. And O-W says O. Make sure that you have all 5 combinations written down. Number 2. What says E? E. Once again, if we look over here at our poster, we can see what says E going straight across. And there are 6 different combinations or letters that make the E sound. So now, E says E. E, consonant E says E. E-A says E. E-E says E. And E-Y says E. Make sure you have all 6 written down. Number 3, what says or? Or. We know R controlled. We have our O-R. And we also have O-R-E. Number 4, qua. Qua. What says qua? Q-U says qua. If you need to pause to catch up, you can go ahead and do that now. Otherwise, we will move on to our review words. Now for review words. Be my echo. Storm, storm. Go ahead and write the word storm. This is a review word. I am going to mark the word and then you will check. S-T-O-R-M, and it's an R-controlled syllable. Circle the O-R. That is your review word. Number 2, selfish, selfish. Go ahead and write the word selfish. Mark up your word and then check it with mine. Selfish, S-E-L-F-I-S-H. You should have marked your E and your I with a breve, and they are both closed syllables. Now we are on current words. Please be my echo. Coaches, coaches. Okay, do you hear a base word? Coaches. Base word is coach. K-O-ch. See? We have a spelling option. And we hear the ch sound at the end of the word. Then coaches. You need to add a suffix. Which suffix says is? ES. Now, because we have a spelling option, we hear the O sound in the middle of the word. What we would do is look in your spelling option section of your student notebook. I happen to have it right over here. And if we are looking, we can see right over here is your C's. So you're going to look down the column, C-O, and here is the word right over here. C-O-A-C-H. C-O-A-C-H. For the markup. Scoop that base word, that's one syllable. Circle your suffix, and then mark your vowel, circle that, and mark it with a D for double vowel syllable. Next current word, please be my echo. Explode, explode. Okay, you can tap out those syllables. Explode. X E L. Spelling option. I hear the O sound. Now, there are a few different options. So once again, I'm looking over here in my spelling option section. Here's your E's. And I know that my first syllable is EX. X. I go down to EX. Plode. I hear that PL. And over here, I see the ODE. So it's an ODE. Now, we will mark up the word explode. Two syllables, two scoops. Explode. Now the E says S, so it gets a breathe, and then down below, it's closed in. Now, how about your second syllable? The O says O, so it's long, it gets that macron, and we cross out that E, that's silent, and we have a vowel, we have a consonant, and we have an E, so we're going to mark it. V, consonant, E. Hopefully you are neater than me with my pen over here. Now we will move on to trick words. If you needed to pause the video, you can go ahead and pause. For trick words, we are going to first write it. You can trace it on a surface, and then we will write it with our pencil. The first word is the word lose. So go ahead and trace. L-O-S-E. The word is lose. Now let's write L-O-S-E. Lose. The next word, beautiful. Beautiful. Let's trace. B E A U T I F U L. Beautiful. B E A U T I F U L. Beautiful. Sentence time. Let's work on one sentence. Be my echo. The water in the tub was foamy. The water in the tub was foamy. Begin writing. The water in the tub was foamy. Just going to make my box a little bigger so it fits on the line. The water in the tub was foamy. We are going to check by proofreading. So we begin by making sure that we have all of the words. Let's check. The water in the tub was foamy. Now we will check the beginning and the end. Do you have a capital letter at the beginning? Do you have a punctuation mark at the end? Now we can check any unit words. I see the word foamy, which is a unit word. That was a word of the day. Foamy, Foamy. Now you would be able to check that word in your spelling options section. Water is a review word. If you had trouble with that, most likely it would be in your spelling options section. I do not see any trick words for this sentence. The water in the tub was foamy. Scoop those phrases. Okay, boys and girls, thank you for following with me today. If you needed to rewind this in order to complete any section, you can always do that. Rewatch it, pause it, whatever you need to do.